Yo. This is Terrell, Hall of Fame D-Line, TBKC. Y'all know we talk about everything, and we're at the second part of this thing. I want to say this. Brothers, and this is just from talking to my attorney. For one, push for proper legislation for you to be able to have more rights as a father. Some states have flat out 50-50. If you're a dad, you got every bit as much rights as the mother. And then some states are great like that. But if your state is not one of those states, push for that. Second of all, young guys, and I was just talking about this with one of my brothers. You young guys, this is very, very important. If your child's mother lives with you and you are not married, make sure that you have in writing that you are providing for your kids and that, y'all are in a 50-50 household and you are taking care of your children. Get it notarized. It shouldn't be a problem if you're living there, y'all living together, y'all a couple or whatever, but get that notarized, get that taken care of, that this is a 50-50 household and y'all are doing this. And whatever the number, if you say, y'all splitting bills, put it in the thing that this is what we split or this is what I pay. I do this for my kids or whatever. Put it down and get it in writing, get it notarized, have her sign it, and then put the file up. And the reason I say this is because of this, and I'm telling y'all from personal experience. You can have your kids live with you for years, literally live with you. And in some cases, they might only live with you, but if it's not in writing, it doesn't matter. And I'm telling you this, I know these things. You can literally have what you would consider to have custody of your kids, to where I know some parents do those things to where the mom will enroll the kids in the school, but they really live with the dad and all that stuff. Hey, that stuff is fine and dandy, but it's not official. And what will happen is when you go to court, child support will look at you as if you never had your kids. You know what I mean? You can show your receipts. Some dads are going to attest to this very quickly. You can show all the receipts for the Jordans you bought, all of the underwears, the diapers. You can show your Amazon account. You can show your eBay account. You can show, I'm pissed at eBay right now, by the way. But you can show all of this stuff, and the judge would call it gifts. It's strange, but judges will call your contribution and you doing for your kids a gift if it's not in a written agreement that this is, you're taking care of your child. Please understand this. I've seen it. I've seen people who've had their kids live. Mine was pretty long. Y'all see me with my kids, you know what I mean? And I'm still on the hook for shit. But and I've always had my kids, you know what I'm saying? So I just tell y'all, man, do the right thing. This is free legal advice. Get everything in writing. I'm taking care of my kids. If your girl is getting like in her feelings because you say that, it's just like, nah, look, this ain't even about you. This is about the system and what they could come and do to me. You know what I mean? Because believe it or not, your girl don't even have to be the one to try to take you for child support. If they feel like, if your girl qualify for a medical card or anything where they feel like that they need to push the issue for child support, they will come and see about you. So like I say, it's not like you're trying to get out of anything, but if you're a good dad, you're taking care of your kids, get something in writing to protect yourself, man, because these states, they really don't recognize us as parents. We're like a secondary parent, and they will do whatever they want with you if you don't take care of that stuff. And fair or unfair, literally, I was sitting, it was actually a video call. I was sitting, and I thought my situation, I was like, damn, dog, but I seen a brother, man, get took up top so bad that I was like sitting there just shaking my damn head. Like, you serious? Like, I'm sitting there shaking my head because some of the stuff that he's saying and how he pulled out so much paperwork, it was obvious that this man was a good daddy. Man, they took that man up top. I'm gonna tell you like that. They took that man probably pulled out 100 grand in receipts. It seemed like he was pulling out all kind of shit. I did this, I did that. The man had a file. Look, we was at Disney, they stayed the summer with me. This, that, I got this, man. The judge told him, oh, all of those are gifts. I said, so you keeping your kids and feeding them? But y'all get what I'm saying. I know this is a dog page. It's nothing against women. Shout out to the good moms who You know what I mean? Don't try to put these men through different things to be in their kids' lives. But brothers, protect yourself, man, and push for your equal rights. It's not like you're trying to have more rights, but push for your equal rights as a parent, you know. But God bless y'all. Much love. Peace.